If you use Evernote to organize your notes, projects, or research, then learning how to add tags is one of the fastest ways to keep everything searchable and easy to find. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add tags in Evernote on desktop and web step by step so you can stay organized in just a few clicks. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides like this. Let's jump in. First, open the note that you want to tag. This can be any note inside your Evernote account, whether it's a meeting note, a class note, a work checklist, or a saved idea. Once the note is open, take a look toward the bottom of the note window. You should see an Add Tag button with a tag icon and a small plus sign. That is the main way to add tags in Evernote on desktop and in the web version. Go ahead and click Add Tag. As soon as you do, Evernote will let you start entering a tag name. Now, you have two options. If the tag already exists in your account, you can simply start typing and select it from the list. This is the best option if you want to keep your tags consistent and avoid creating duplicates. For example, if you already use tags like work, personal, or ideas, just choose the existing one. If the tag does not exist yet, you can create a brand new tag by typing the name you want and pressing enter. That's it. Evernote will save the new tag and attach it to the note immediately. This is really helpful when you want to build a custom organization system for different topics, clients, school subjects, or categories. Now here's another useful method. If you prefer to work faster while typing inside the note, you can type the hash symbol or the number sign anywhere in the body of your note. Then start typing the tag name inline. Evernote will suggest matching tags or allow you to create a new one right there as you type. This can be a very quick way to add tags without leaving the note content. Once your tag is added, you can repeat the same process for as many tags as you need. Evernote supports multiple tags on a single note, which means you can organize one note under several categories at once. For example, a note could be tagged as work, meeting, and client. That makes it much easier to search and filter later. After adding your tags, it's always a good idea to double check that the tag name is correct and spelled the way you want. Keeping your tag system clean and consistent will save you time in the long run and make your Evernote workspace much easier to manage. So to recap, open the note, click the tag at the bottom, type an existing tag or create a new one, and press enter. Or if you want a quicker method, type a hashtag directly in the note body and add your tag inline. That's how to add tags in Evernote on desktop and web. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Evernote tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.